India's agricultural footprint is immense, stretching across millions of acres of challenging terrain. To cover this efficiently, modern aerospace engineering has turned to heavy-lift drones. However, the impact of a drone is often throttled by its distance from support. Without localized battery swaps or on-site diagnostics, even a high-capacity machine faces significant downtime between sorties. Scaling this technology requires an entirely new layer of physical support. It requires a decentralized, defense-grade ground network placed exactly where the flights occur. The path forward for Indian aerospace depends on building the very localized nodes that keep these fleets in the sky. This is the Meghdev Drone Station. Known as Station Zero, this 30-foot modular facility serves as the foundational building block for a national operational grid. Inside, the facility is divided into 5 specialized units: drone sales, rental fleets, dedicated repair bays, pilot training programs, and agricultural data intelligence. By standardizing these services into a single footprint, it functions as a replicable showroom, documenting exactly how a localized drone economy operates. The ecosystem starts with human capital. The station operates as a certified remote pilot training organization, creating a professional workforce out of rural youth who know the local geography. Coordination is handled by a software brain called HAL ERP. This system manages app-based fleet booking, tracks automated battery swaps, and monitors live flight data across the network. When hardware requires maintenance, the integrated repair bay allows technicians to resolve issues on site. This eliminates the need to wait for distant supply chain shipments, maximizing total fleet uptime. By integrating professional training, maintenance, and software into one physical hub, Meghdev transforms rural areas into high-efficiency aviation corridors. The primary output of these hubs is precision agriculture. Heavy-lift multi-rotors execute multi-acre spraying with chemical efficiency and speed that manual labor cannot match. The network is also engineered for complex logistics, including beyond visual line of sight, or BVLOS, operations for emergency response and remote payload deliveries. This capability was proven through a project with the Indian Council of Medical Research. The team was mandated to develop a delivery model for medical supplies using autonomous flights. The project required navigating remote areas in Manipur, Nagaland, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Moving medical supplies across isolated mountain villages and archipelagos demanded absolute reliability from both the pilots and the ground infrastructure. A network capable of managing medical logistics in these environments can easily support the heavy demands of daily commercial agriculture. The strategy now scales through a 9-phase national expansion. Starting with that first node in Uttar Pradesh, the plan clones the station footprint to cover all 831 districts in India over 7 years. This rapid scale is driven by a 4-tier franchise model, distributing ownership to local partners and farmer-producer organizations. Under the Viego initiative, this grid leverages government subsidies to deploy 11,000 active agricultural drones across every productive district in the country. As these drones fly, they capture real-time crop health and soil data, feeding it back into the stations to create a national digital twin of India's agricultural landscape. The enterprise value of Meghdev lies in owning this data data. They are building India's first comprehensive district-level agricultural intelligence grid. This massive network directly empowers the individual farmer. Through their smartphone, they access specific crop intelligence that helps lower costs and improve their harvest yield. At full scale, across 831 districts, Meghdev functions as a national infrastructure project, on par with the country's established agricultural institutions. Thousands of autonomous vehicles, linked to trained local crews and live data streams, provide a new level of precision to regional agricultural management. Ojas Aerospace is doing the hard work of laying the physical ground nodes to build the foundation of India's new sky economy.